Great morning, everybody. So I was just having a heart moment, and I've learned to listen to these little whispers because they usually mean that there's some good stuff there, and somebody out there needs to hear it, because I typically find that I am not alone in the things I have thought or the things that I have experienced. So here goes. I was just reflecting on kind of life, where things are, and what I realized is, there are moments where I have had to start over, start new. A lot of these moments. And what typically has had me feel a little heavy, scared, apprehensive, a little deflated at times, diminished, and even depleted, is this idea of starting from scratch. There are times when it's a really exhilarating thing, and then there are other times where that's that moment, there's just this perception of starting from scratch, where you get this feeling that everything that was before was useless, a waste of your time. It was for naught, right? It had no purpose, or it was just like completely took you in a direction where now you're going to double back, or you're going to start on a whole new track. And what was all that life that I lived prior to this moment? And you really do struggle, and there's resistance in that. Starting from scratch resembles a lot of stuff and a lot of noise that really doesn't have to be there, and yet it's there, and it prevents you from moving forward. So for me, when I notice that resistance and that pushback, I've learned to do this little trick, and it's all about changing perspectives. So instead of starting from scratch, where all that stuff I just talked about is present, how about realizing that you're starting from experience? Realizing that everything that has come to this point gives you the most amazing foundation for knowing what works, or more importantly, what doesn't work, knowing what doesn't fulfill you, and knowing that that's a chapter you can put to rest, and it's a very necessary predecessor to the chapter you're about to begin. So you're never really starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. That little tweak in my mindset has helped me make some of the biggest shifts in my life. So I invite you to try it on. See how it shows up for you. And if you feel inclined, come on back and let me know sometime. Nothing pleases me more than to hear back from people who have taken on some of the ideas that I've shared and really had some results that were meaningful to them, and then let me know about it. So take care. God bless. Make it a great day.